Hello students, you must have heard about the word geography. We must understand what is geography because geography is one of the buzzword in UPSC syllabus. By understanding geography, we can understand the various aspects which are involved in administrative activities. So let us understand. Geography has two important definitions. First is the very basic definition. Geography is nothing but a spatial description or you can say analysis of various regions or surface of the earth. By explaining it, we can take an example of Kamchatka Peninsula, which was recently in news due to earthquake and related tsunami activities. Coming back to second definition, the geography is also termed as a subject of subjects. It means geography has multiple relations with majority or we can say multidimensional subjects in UPSC journey. By taking one example, we can understand the second definition as well. The Kamchatka Peninsula, where the recent earthquake, which is about 8.8 Richter earthquake happened, it has led to the tsunamis in far east region of Asia. Example, the tsunamis in Japan and various states or you can say countries in Polynesia or Micronesian region. It means the geography has immense impact on human development and human progress. Hence, it is very important to understand geography from the perspective of administration. Hence, UPSC must have included geography. To understand such various perspective of geography and how we can utilize those perspective in administrative practices, you can come and visit us at optional classroom experience at the Unique Academy Thane. Thank you.